In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Affinity to default settings. Now, the first thing you have to do is you actually want to close down Affinity, okay? So if you still got it open, just close it down. And then the second step is to look for it inside your program. So here, I'm going to type in Affinity, there we go. And then depending on if you are actually currently on Mac or on Windows, you're going to have to press down a key combination. So if you're on Mac, you want to hold down Command, Option, and Control, and then keep holding that down and click on the app to open it up, and then keep holding it until a window will pop up. But if you're on Windows, hold down your Control key, keep holding it and click on the app, and when this pops up here, keep holding it, and there we go. You're gonna see this pop up, which is called Clear User Data. Okay, so yet again, if you are on Mac OS, Command, Option, and Control. If you are on Windows, just hold down your Control key and then wait for it to open up. When you can see this over here, you can go ahead and pretty much reset everything or just specific parts. So if I click on select all, everything will be selected, and I can just click on clear, and it's going to clear all user data. However, if you don't want that, you could do deselect, and you could just go ahead and select the specific things you would like to reset, then click on clear, and after you do that, it's going to basically open up your Affinity, and it's going to be basically default and factory reset again. It's going to work as intended, okay? So that's pretty much how to reset it. But if your loadout in here is what you are worried about, so for example, if you've messed up this layout, you could just click on the window tab up top, hover over panels, and click on reset, and this will reset your layout. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.